Hello kids.
Welcome to my channel, Kids Learning.
Let's have fun learning about the farm animals today. Are you ready?
The quiz starts with the question, what is the long hair on horse's neck called? The tail hair, mane, fur, or feathers?
Any idea what it is? Try to guess, guys.
It is called mane. Repronounce with me. It's mane.
Fantastic effort. Keep trying.
Do you guys know how many legs does a duck have?
1, 2, 3, or 4.
Can you figure this one out?
You know the answer.
Yes, the right answer is 2.
Brilliant, great work. Now, who knows, what does a duck have instead of lips? Beak, teeth, nose, or a tongue? Who knows the answer of this question? Correct, the right answer is a beak.
Nice going, keep it up. Who can tell what a baby duck is called?
Can you figure it out?
Exactly, a duckling.
So far, so good, excellent kids.
Want to take a guess? Which one of these is a hen?
Have you figured it out yet? Shall we see if you know? Ta-da! The correct option is the fourth one. Yes, it's a hen.
You nailed it, way to go kids.
I wonder if you know which animal lives in a coop. Hen, goat, ducks, or a dog?
Have any guesses kids? Let's find the answer together. Okay. The hen is the right answer.
Brilliant work kids.
This question seems a bit tricky. Do you know what does a rooster have on top of its head?
Wattles, a rattle, a comb, or wings?
This one's not easy. Want to take a guess? Well, the correct option is a comb. Did you know?
Superb. You all did a fantastic job today.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel to discover more joyful videos.